A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to your SST class. Hope you all are fine. So, children, as you know, in SST we have completed chapter 17, Organizations that Help Us. So, children, today we will be reading the chapter thoroughly and then I'll explain you the back exercise work which is given in your book, and you have to do that work in your SST book only. So, let's start reading first. Children, you also have to read the chapter loudly. So please listen carefully. Chapter 17, Organizations that Help Us. There are many organizations in our society that help us. Some of these organizations are the police, hospitals, banks, the armed forces, the postal system, and the fire brigade. Police. The duty of the police is to solve crimes and catch those who are guilty. By doing so, they keep us safe and make sure that everyone follows the laws of the country. Police stations are present in different areas in every town and city. We inform the police when a crime takes place. We can approach the police for help when we face problems. If you are lost and need help, you should go to the nearest traffic policeman and he will be able to help you. For example, Sonia lost her way while walking home from school as she had taken a wrong turn. She walked around but could not find her way back. Her mother had told her to ask a policeman rather than strangers on the road for help. So she walked up to the nearest road crossing and asked the traffic policeman there for help. The kind policeman took her home safely. Hospitals. We go to a hospital when we fall ill. The doctors and nurses in the hospital help us to find out why we are ill. They give us medicines and the treatment we need to make us better. They tell us about personal hygiene and healthy habits. They also tell us about different diseases and how we can prevent them. When there is an accident on the road, generally, people who are passing by stop to help those who have been injured and take them to the nearest hospital. Doctors and nurses on duty help them and also contact their families. A number of voluntary organizations such as the Red Cross regularly help accident victims by donating blood and providing support to the families. Banks. We keep our money in the bank for safety. The bank uses our money by lending it to people who need it. In return, the bank pays us an additional sum of money called interest. This is how money increases if we save it in a bank. Banks also lend money to people for various purposes. They lend money to farmers to buy seeds and agricultural tools. They also lend money to students for higher studies and to business people to grow and develop their businesses. Banks also give people loans to buy homes and cars. These days, banks provide us with many facilities. We can make any kind of transaction through the computer without leaving home. Automated teller machines, ATMs, provided by banks help us to withdraw our money at any time. Fire brigade. When there is a fire, we call the fire brigade. The fire brigade has firefighters who are trained to put out fires and help people who may be trapped inside a building on fire. Fire engines are vehicles used to help put out fires. Schools are supposed to have a fire drill. A long bell rings, signaling that students should leave the school building as fast as possible. This is done to teach us how to save ourselves in case of a real fire. For safety reasons, people install fire alarms in homes, schools, shopping malls, offices, banks, etc. Post office. The postal system helps us to receive and send mail all over the country and world. We can keep in touch with friends and family members by sending letters and also send money orders and telegrams through the post office. We can also open open an account in a post office and save money here just as we do in a bank. The post service has different sections for the different facilities it provides. The armed forces. The armed forces, the army, navy, and air force protect our country from attack. They guard the country's borders, and during wars they fight against the enemy. They also help in relief work during times of need such as floods and droughts. Voluntary organizations. When earthquakes, tsunamis, or epidemics occur, voluntary organizations such as the Red Cross, the United Nations Children's Fund, and the World Health Organization help with relief work and medical supplies. War often leaves people homeless. In such situations, voluntary organizations help the affected people with food, shelter, and medical care. Some local organizations and volunteers also help by supplying food, drinking water, clothes, etc. during floods, famines, and droughts. We too can help by donating food items, clothes, medicines, and money to such voluntary organizations so that people in need get help quickly. This is all about this chapter. Our reading is completed. Now I am going to explain you the exercises. Exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks. But children, before doing the exercise work in your book, you have to read the chapter 3 times loudly. Then only you have to do the exercise work. Okay? Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. A. When there is an dash on the road, people take the injured to the nearest hospital. B. We keep dash in a bank. C. When there is a fire, we call the dash. D. The dash helps us to send and receive mail. E. The dash protect our country from attack. Children, if you will read the chapter carefully, then it will be very easy for you to do these exercises in your book. Okay? Exercise number 2. Choose the correct answer. A. Who should you go to if you are lost and need help? Police, doctors, army, post office. B. When do we call a doctor? When we are sick, when we are lost, when we have to deposit money, when we have to send a letter. C. We keep our money here, in the police station, in the fire station, in the bank, in the hospital. D. When does the army help in relief efforts? Floods, earthquakes, droughts, all these situations. E. This is a voluntary organization. Police, army, Red Cross, none of these. Exercise number 3. Match the columns. Column A. Police, hospitals, bank, fire brigade, armed forces. You have to match column A to column B. Okay? Exercise number 4. Unscramble the letters to form the correct words. A. They help us when there is a crime. आपको इन लेटर्स का यूज करके एक करेक्ट वर्ड बनाना है. ओके? और क्लूज आपको दिए गए हैं. B. When we fall ill, they help us get better. C. It helps us keep in touch with our friends and family. D. It protects our country. E. A voluntary organization. So children, these are the 4 exercises which you have to do in your SST book neatly and carefully. Do this work after reading the chapter, okay? Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe and stay happy.